Prepare to trick or treat. It's Halloween.
We use the DTM-based tray and first draw a template on a piece of paper to make a test print. Now we can print our spooky designs on our cookies. The ink meets all EU certifications and is tasteless. Let's print a pattern. Our trays are 100% food safe and can be put in the dishwasher. But we are lazy zombies, so we use a piece of paper so that our DTM tray does not get dirty.
Happy Halloween!
Get a DTM tray for free with every Eddie purchased. Order now.